Good morning to everyone. We have a new housing project started here at Grandma's place. Look at this beautiful new fairy home. Total cost was $15. Oh my gosh, is it not beautiful? I just loved it. When I saw it, it came from Home Goods. And isn't it beautiful? It has a beautiful front porch, a beautiful cedar roof, and beautiful windows. All the detail work. Isn't it beautiful? Hope you're enjoying this new fairy garden I put together today. Everything in here I've had for years. The little pink table and chairs, I don't even remember where I bought it, but I've had it probably 3 or 4 years. And all these items stay outside all the time. The little bicycle, I've had it probably the same amount of time, 3 or 4 years. And it's been outside the whole time, so that's why it looks a little rusted. And of course, my welcome sign is from Dollar Tree. That is a great find. And the beautiful white picket fence that you see, believe it or not, it came from Big Lots, and I bought it probably 3 or 4 years ago on a big super clearance, and I think I paid about $1 for this fencing, and the quality of it, you can tell, is much better than normally you find. And I think it normally sold for $5 or something, and I think I got it for about $1. And because it was such good quality, I bought quite a bit of it, so you're going to see a lot of this fencing in my fairy gardens this year. So hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I just wanted you to see what a beautiful little fairy garden we got put together today. Hope you're enjoying it. Everything you see except for the new house is things I've had for 3 or 4 years. And I do have some live plants that have been in here for years also. And that's another reason why I'm trying to take as many fairy garden pictures, because these are blooming right now, and I wanted to share how beautiful they were. And they just smell wonderful. And then over here is another one of my beautiful flowers blooming right now. Is it not beautiful? Couldn't believe how gorgeous it looked, and I just had to share it with you today. Now, to keep enough color in here, there is, like I said, some live plants, as you can see, but I also have some soap plants sprinkled about to give a little more color in this fairy garden. And then I had a few little pieces that people maybe would throw away, but Grandma never throws anything away. Baby hoarder Grandma never throws anything away. And these are just little pieces that have fallen off my flowers, and I put them in a bag, and then when I'm ready to do a project like this, I just pull them out and scatter them about like the garden is blooming. I always enjoy it so much, and I keep telling you, this beautiful welcome sign is from Dollar Tree. This has been outside at least 2 or 3 years. Look at how good the color still is, and the quality looks great. Don't be afraid to buy Dollar Tree fairy accessories. They are usually very well put together, and the paint on them is usually very good quality, and they usually will last anywhere from 1 to 3 years with no trouble, without painting. So I am very happy with everything I buy with them. Well, let me know what you thought about my new fairy garden that I put together today for your enjoyment. Sorry about the plane going over. It's very noisy, I know. I live very close to an airport, and that's just what's part of living here. And you can see it's very windy. Oh well, you just have to deal with what we have. At least we don't have snow to deal with. And I can put out a fairy garden in winter. Well, I guess it's spring now. That's why I have spring flowers springing up. And I'm so happy that you guys joined me today. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends and followers. If you're not already following me, please think about it And please give me a thumbs up and let me know if you enjoyed this video or not, for I will know what kind of content to keep putting on my channel. And please leave me a comment if you're enjoying seeing these miniature gardens I am putting back in my channel. I personally love miniature gardens, and I hope you do too. Well, I'm going to let you go for now. Hugs and kisses a second time around if you stayed to the very end. Don't forget, we always do a little slideshow at the end if you'd like to enjoy the fairy garden a little longer.